respect. In a small village, two friends, Ollie and Sam, lived happily. Ollie respected everyone, whether rich or poor. Sam, however, only respected the rich. One day, an old man arrived in the village. Dressed in simple clothes, he was ignored by most. But Ollie greeted him, gave him water, and listened to his wise stories about kindness and respect. The villagers noticed Ollie's kindness and admired him. Sam watched and began to wonder. Before leaving, the old man told Sam, "Respect everyone, and you'll find true happiness." Sam changed his ways, and soon, the whole village lived in harmony, full of kindness and respect. Respect and kindness make the world a better place. The end. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more stories.